Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. When generating product catalogs for large businesses with thousands of products, fitting all the information into a single column can lead to excessive page counts. This layout often makes the report appear cluttered and less efficient, requiring users to search through numerous pages to find specific details. Creating a multiple column report helps present data more efficiently by organizing content across several columns on a single page. This enhances readability and makes the report more visually appealing. In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-column report in an RDL report in the Bold Reports Designer. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version from the report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server, naming it Multiple Column Report. Next, I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server. And name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. Next, I use none as the authentication type as the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset. And switch to code mode because I already have an SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Then, I click Finish to create the dataset. Before adding the table, let me add a header. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text. And resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label Product Sales. Next, I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now, the header has been added. Next, I need to add a table to display product sales details. I add a table. And then the product category, subcategory, and sales as headers. And format them. I assign their corresponding values in the data row. And format them. Add grouping to the table so that the values will be grouped based on the selected fields. I choose the table cell. And expand details in the row group section. Add a parent group. Select the order year in the group by field. And save it. See, the parent group is added. Next, I add a child group. To add a child group, expand the group menu in the order year group field. Add a child group. Select the order quarter in the group by field. And save it. This shows detailed data within each main group. See, the child group is added. I remove the unnecessary columns. I insert rows outside the group below for the order quarter and order year some sales expressions. Then, insert a row for the total sales expression. I add the total sales expression to calculate the overall total sales in the expression builder. Since the value must be displayed in currency format, I select the sales and some sales values. Change the format to currency with 2 decimal points, and enable the 1000 separator. Once the values are assigned to the table, I apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value row. Finally, I will show you how to create a multiple column report. To set one to the table report item, I open the Properties panel and expand the Page column. In the Columns property, provide the number of columns in the report. In the Column Spacing property, add the width of the space between columns. Then, set the required margin and paper size. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview in the top panel. The report will be displayed as a single column. To view the report in a multi-column layout, click Print Layout in the Report Viewer toolbar. See how the report is displayed on multiple columns. In this video, I have shown you how to create a multiple column report in an RDL report. The link to a blog containing these steps is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.